The 10 habits that will increase your attractiveness and win others over. Most people believe that having good looks is the only thing that makes one appealing. It's true that some people are naturally attractive. They enjoy the benefits of their attractive physical appearance throughout the majority of their life. However, attractiveness is influenced by many more than just your appearance, body, hair, or attire. Regardless of how you look on the outside, you may start incorporating these 10 practices into your daily life to quickly improve your attractiveness. First, always speak positively. You are free to whine endlessly about items, people, or situations. Ultimately, though, you're not advancing yourself. You also don't improve the way others perceive you. Individuals, you see, prefer to be around positive individuals. But how exactly do you do that? To begin with, you may speak positively and give lots of compliments. People will automatically like you more when they experience that kind of vibe. Second rule, show inquisitiveness. You can only pique others' curiosity by exhibiting your own curiosity. Discover how things operate. Examine the reasons behind people's actions and make an effort to understand what drives them. Discover what's going on in the globe by reading some fascinating novels. People have an innate tendency to find you interesting and intelligent when you have a lot to say. Third point, grin more. Happy and pleasant people tend to attract more friends and admirers for a reason. It's said that happiness is the most beautiful emotion. Positive feelings attract people, and a smile is a friendly, approachable gesture. Thus, always remember to grin. Fourth, unexpected individuals. People immediately expect you to deliver on your promises when you tell them what you're going to accomplish for them. Rather, give them occasional surprises. Doing this will have a far greater impact and memory than carrying out your previous promises. The thought you put into the kind gesture will make their day, not just the present. Fifth rule, express gratitude. Even though they are overused at times, these two straightforward words have the power to completely transform a person's day. It only takes a few moments to reflect on and be grateful for what you have. Never forget to express gratitude for anything, no matter how small, like someone holding the door open for you. Number 6, keep your cool. We can all agree that seeing someone yell or react destructively is an unpleasant sight. And occasionally we just have no choice but to retaliate. Don't do that, then. Take a moment to consider the entire scenario before you lose your cool. It's best to remain composed and just have a conversation. You'll be able to comprehend people a lot better and, as a result, build stronger relationships with them if you do this. 7th, let go and move on. Everybody has experienced disappointment and hurt at some point in their lives. And although letting go is a tough thing to do, it's crucial. Having resentment, envy, and anger are bad habits. They just serve to depress you and foster negativity. Not only will you appear like a better person in their eyes, but you will also come across as a responsible and mature individual if you forgive someone for wronging you. Number 8, start a discussion. The majority of us experience discomfort when we are outside of our comfort zones and among unfamiliar people. However, the types of people that take the initiative and approach new people are the ones who are totally at ease with themselves, which is a very appealing quality. So, get beyond of your comfort zone and introduce yourself to a stranger. You'll take them by surprise right immediately, and you might even leave feeling more confident. 9th tip, show someone you care about them. Seize every chance to show kindness to others. You won't believe how wonderful it feels. Give someone their dropped wallet back, or just give someone a friendly smile. Most people won't bother to do these small gestures, but if you do, they will show respect. You'll feel better, but your kind gesture will also be greatly valued. 10th point, look after yourself. Self-sufficient people exude discipline, which makes them more attractive. Being able to take care of your fundamental requirements and not being seen as a burden by others are signs that you are in charge of yourself. A vital component of your daily routine should include taking care of your physical, mental, and emotional well-being in addition to eating a healthy diet and exercising frequently. Are there any other basic routines that you would like to add to this list? If so, please tell us in the comments section below. I appreciate you seeing. To see more videos like this one, please like, share, and subscribe.